Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to fix Google Chrome opening unwanted sites or new tab automatically. So guys, firstly open your Chrome browser, then click on this three dot. Now here click on settings. Now in this left side panel expand advanced, and here the option reset and cleaner. Left click on it. Now click on restore settings to their original defaults and click on reset settings, and make sure guys this will reset Chrome settings and Chrome shortcuts. It will disable extensions and it will delete cookies and other temporary site data. So just click on reset settings. Now close it and restart. So hopefully guys, using this simple setting we can fix and we can resolve Google Chrome opening unwanted sites on new tab automatically. Thanks for watching. Please comment this method work for you or not.